Hello everyone, welcome to Windows OS Hub. While Windows 11 offers a convenient GUI undersettings for uninstalling applications, sysadmins may require command line methods to rapidly uninstall software on specific or multiple systems via scripted bulk removal jobs. This video will demonstrate how to uninstall applications in Windows 11 using PowerShell and classic command line tools. To list installed programs in Windows 11, open the PowerShell console and run the get package command. It displays programs installed via Windows Installer, as well as Win32 programs installed using non-MSI installers. To list information about a specific program, specify its name as an argument in the command. I searched for the installed Zoom application using a wildcard character. Now, I will send the result of the previous command through a pipe to the Uninstall package complete to start removing the specified program. Verify that the program has been successfully removed and is no longer displayed in the list of installed programs, either via the command line or the application's graphical panel. The limitation of the PowerShell couplets discussed above is that they do not display information about installed Microsoft Store applications. Let's use the winget command, which is built into Windows 10 and 11, to display a list of installed software. The Winget Package Manager displays information about all programs, including those from the Microsoft Store. For example, I want to uninstall the PDFX application from the Microsoft Store. List the information about this application. To uninstall a program using the Winget Package Manager, specify the uninstall argument and the program's ID or name. The specified application has been successfully removed. In some cases, it is more efficient to find the command for properly uninstalling a program in the Windows registry. Navigate to the Uninstall registry key. For each installed program, a corresponding subkey can be found here containing detailed information about the application. The uninstall string property contains a command that launches the program's uninstall wizard. I copied the value from the uninstall string for 7-zip and ran that command in the command prompt. This launches a graphical wizard that allows you to modify, repair, or completely remove the program. For certain applications, you can extract an uninstall command from the registry to perform a silent removal of the program. This command uninstalls the application in the background without displaying any graphical interfaces, prompts, or confirmation dialogues. In the video description, I shared a PowerShell script that extracts information about installed applications and their uninstall strings from the registry. Note that, in addition to the uninstall string, some programs also have a value filled in the quiet uninstall string attribute. This is the command that is used to uninstall the application in the background without any user interaction. This command is useful when you need to automate the removal of a specific program on multiple computers. That's all. Like the video and subscribe for more sysadmin tips from Windows OS Hub. See you later.